Hello Phys Ed teachers, my name's Daniel Zito and I'd like to show you one of my favourite teacher tools. It's iDoceo for the iPad and it's an organisational tool for storing all your class information and assessment data. And in this series of videos I'm going to walk you through how to use the app and take you from absolute zero to absolute iDoceo hero. So, let's go. Now the main screen of iDoceo here is your class list. This lists all the classes that you teach, or the ones that you choose to store information on. If I just tap on my test class there, you can see across the top of the page all the different features of iDoceo. So we're on the summary section right now, and we'll go into that in more depth later. If I tap on Gradebook, this is probably the main feature of iDoceo, the Gradebook. We're going to go into how to create columns across the top, tabs down the right hand side, and the real benefit of iDoceo is how customizable it is. There's a multitude of information you can store in here and set it up in whichever way suits you. So we'll go into that in depth as well. As I move along the top, the diary, which you may or may not choose to use. It's linked to your iPad calendar as well, which is handy. Moving again to notes. This is where you might keep notes on a particular class. Tactics, team strategies, anecdotal notes, however you choose to use that. The seating plan across the top again. This is a visual representation of your class. It can be very handy for creating teams, groups, all your class management activities happen in here. Across to the last one is the pin board, and this is another open space, a bit like the notes, but you can attach video, photos, notes. You might use it for assessment data to store here, or resources that you're going to use in your class and want to pull up for the students.